Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of ticket management, specifically how to verify and schedule tickets on the calendar in Visp. Let's get organized. First things first, let's make sure that a newly added ticket is on schedule. Head over to the left sidebar and click on the service desk. You'll see three tabs: Kanban, Calendar, and List. Click on Calendar. Your ticket should be visible here. By default, it's displayed in the week view. If you prefer a broader perspective, you can switch to the month view. Want to see all technicians and their schedules for the day? Click on the resource timeline. To move back and forth between weeks, use these handy arrows on the left. Simple as that. Need to reschedule? No problem. Just click on the ticket and drag it to any available date within the same week. Want to move the ticket to a different week? Reopen the ticket and find the scheduled section and click on the field to set a new date. Don't forget to save your changes. And there you have it. You now know how to verify and schedule tickets like a pro. Remember, an organized system is a happy system. See you in the next video.